The final video to fix no notification sounds from Discord on PC. And if you've been struggling with it, you're not alone. Are your Discord notifications completely silent even when messages arrive? This usually happens because Discord sound settings or your Windows audio settings are not synced properly, or sometimes it's caused by background apps blocking the sound. Many tutorials on YouTube make this seem complicated, showing long steps that confuse most users. But here on Rexist, I'll show you a secret easy trick that fixes in seconds without diving into deep menus. All you need to do is check your Discord app settings, enable sounds and notifications, and make sure your PC's sound mixer allows Discord to play audio. This simple trick works instantly and saves hours of frustration. If you want to make a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly what to click, comment below and I'll cover it in the next video.